OMyTea sent me a few of their fans. My daughter, who is 5, is a big fan of them, but this one is a little bit like less flashy. It's not as much her style, but it is very much my style. She's demure. She's mindful. It's really beautiful. These are very flexible, very thin bamboo sticks holding this together. Really well constructed. We've got this very simple black fabric-y material that you can kind of see through, but you can get a solid wind out of this. There we go. So yeah, this is my kind of hand fan. Just simple, basic, something I can toss into my purse and have at an outdoor sports game for the kids. Sports game. I sound really in the know, don't I? Here it is from OMyTea. This is one of their classics. It looks pretty classy if you ask me.